Good afternoon. This is Darlene from Darlene's Junk Journals and More, and this is my first of two Make a Kit, Make a Journal journals that I made for Dear Julie's challenge for May 2021. And this one I made, and it is an altered book, but it is very big. As you can see, it is 3 signatures. It is, I believe that is, 4.5-inch spine. So hopefully I'm still in frame. I'm just going to check that before I carry on. Yeah, I think we're okay. Okay, so as long as the camera is recording what I'm seeing in the viewfinder. Okay, so this is a big book, so we will just get right into it. This used fairies and flutters from Dear Julie and a kit called Conservatory. I can't remember the first name of it. I have to look it up. Anyway, this is just going to be a quick run through because this is a very big book to get through in a short video. So this has got all the required elements, but I have way more pages than I needed because I was doing an altered book, and for some reason I thought I needed 70 actual physical pages, not 70 front and back. So it's very big, and this slides in and out. These are from the Graphics Fairy site. They're part of the premium site. I got that as a birthday gift from my husband. So I get a kit every week. Okay. So let's just keep going through here. This comes out like this. I hope that's still in frame. Anyway, this is a little, this was from All About That Base, one of my bases, and I just did some decoration on it. This is just a card I put in there. This is another All About That Base. Some journaling card. Another journaling card. I didn't decorate everything I put in here because I did my required elements, but then anything that I didn't need to decorate, I didn't because it was so bulky. So I just didn't want to make it huge. So these all have cards in them, but they don't all have decoration on them because I like to journal privately. This is another element. That was a top tuck. So they've all got little spaces and secret places to have. This one was turned into a belly band. It's got a little tuck spot behind it with journaling card with writing paper in the back. As I say, this one's really big. This is the flip up, flip down with an insert. And that was from one of my All About That Base bases. And this is the flip out. It's so long since I did this. I don't remember half of it. I did this the first week of May, and that seems like a long time ago now with all the stuff that's been going on. Okay, this isn't one of those that, this is another one of these that I've made that has a secret journaling panel. So, as you can see from the different videos, I'm really enjoying making those because they're great, because they're secret. Okay, not that I have that much to hide, but it's just so you can show somebody an album and they're not reading everything that you've done day to day. My journals would be very boring. Okay, and this is a belly band, and this one also flips up and out. And this one is built in. It's got the tuck spot there, and it also has a tuck spot behind it. I really like how that turned out. I love those belly bands. And this is a I like putting these in my altered books. They're a half page, and then you can just put different journaling things on them that you can see from both sides. This is some of my journaling cards. This was a little folder that I made that started out as a trifold folder, and when it got folded, it ended up 4. So it ended up in my book, but it wasn't the trifold because I couldn't count. Anyhow, this is this is one of the journal cards with the stack of notes on the back of it. And as I say, all of these there's tons of journaling. Every one of these little things that you see has a whole card behind it that is note paper where you can write notes. It's a very big book. Surprisingly not that heavy, but it is a big book. And this one's got pockets everywhere because I like pockets like Julie does. So I have lots of tuck spaces and pockets. And this is another trifold. So this one is this one's got lots of butterflies, lots of fairies. I'll be doing another fairy kit before long with different fairies. And this is just some more of the paper. This is just a different, like I love doing these pages where you take a full page like this and then you just do it in strips so that the page continues like that. And this flips up for secret journaling. So then you can put your cards back in there, but when they come out, they've got something interesting to look at. This is a top tuck. And another journaling card with stack a pocket, and another one of those secret, not so secret anymore, spaces to write. Now the secret's out. Everybody knows I like those. So they'll be looking for those in all my journals. But everybody will, I'll be, Julie's known for her pockets. I'll be known for my secret journaling. Maybe. Anyhow, this is my fabric pocket on this one. This is a fabric flip with, this has got stacking note, and this was my double page. This was my favorite, my double of two of my favorite things. So this comes out like this. This has to come off there. This is my Gatefold Page. It comes out like this. It's got all kinds of little tiny tuck spots and stuff like that. I really like this because it goes way back to my very first junk journal that I made with Dear Julie, my very first junk journal ever, which was in April of 2020, and we had to make the double Dutch doors. So I like putting that one in my journals. And this one is a matchbook. And interestingly enough, my husband got a bag of jewelry yesterday, and it had an old one of these. It's an old plastic, but it's very vintage looking feather like this in it. And he's giving it to me to put in my journals. So it's really cool. He also found in a $12 bag of $12 bag of jewelry, a $75 sterling silver purse pendant. It's absolutely gorgeous. I looked it up last night, so he was very happy about that. So that may be his new obsession. Buying little jewelry like that. He likes collections. My husband has Asperger's syndrome. I love this. Hand in hand with fairies' grace, we will sing and bless this place. William Shakespeare. So this was my other favorite element, was the matchbook. And this has a top pocket. How can you tell I've been doing a whole bunch of videos today? Okay, so this is my flip out, one of my flip outs pockets, side pocket, and this is a quarter page that I did with just some elements in it, or journaling cards. So there's tons of places to journal in this one, and this is another top tuck, and then there's just a whole bunch of blank journaling pages in here, and that's the back cover. And if I didn't show you before, this is the spine. It's from some fabric that I got. It's actually off of a garment that I got at Value Village. It's from a sari, and I got 2 different saris that day, and it's very pretty. And anyway, that is it. So hopefully that's in frame, or at least the majority of it was. I won't be taking individual pictures of this one for the challenge. This one will go on the Scrap All About It with Julie, Dear Julie site though, so that everybody can see the video of it as well as on the YouTube. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Bye now.